Hey everybody, welcome to Greenlane Offroad. My name's Donovan, and today we're going to be installing a set of our brand new bed stiffeners on this 3rd gen Toyota Tundra. We'll start by removing the T55 Torx head bolt on the floor of the bed. And then the two T40 Torx bolts on the bed hold down. Next we're going to remove the factory washer from the bolt, which is easiest done in a bench vise. We'll just close it loosely on the head of the bolt and use a hammer to tap the washer off. Next we'll put a little bit of anti-seize on the stock bed bolt, as well as the two smaller bolts for the tie-down bracket. Next we'll reinstall the factory hardware loosely over the bed stiffener. The bed stiffener has this formed angle bracket facing the front of the truck. It's optional if you want to reinstall the factory tie-down point or not. You can leave it off and just use the bed stiffener itself for a tie-down, or you can reinstall it, up to you. We'll just install the hardware finger tight. If you do decide that you want to install the topmost bolt and drill through your bed there, which we do recommend, now's the time to do that. Using a 3/8 drill bit, we'll use the bracket to locate the hole, and we'll drill through the side of the bed. Next we'll remove the tail light by removing the two 10mm head bolts. Remove the tail light by pulling straight back. Next we'll place a smaller washer on our 3/8 grade 8 bolt. Add a little bit of never seats to the threads. We'll put that through the bed stiffener and the side of the truck. The large fender washer on the inside, followed by a nylon cap. Next we're going to tighten down the large bolt on the bed of the truck. Followed by the two smaller Torx head bolts on the side. Lastly, we'll tighten the 3/8 bolt that we drilled in the top. Next, we'll reinstall the tail light. And repeat the same process on the driver's side.